Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung's 31.5-inch UHD and 27-inch QHD QD-OLED gaming monitors. So friends, Samsung has announced two brand new QD-OLED gaming monitors including a 31.5-inch and a 27-inch model which will be released next year, and the official Samsung display output had and the official Samsung display outlet has announced that the company is preparing two QD OLED design which include 31.5-inch model and 27-inch model. Starting with the 31.5-inch model, we are looking at a flat panel design with a UHD resolution and pixel density of 140 ppi. This will be a high-end variant that will target the high-end gaming segment, and Samsung stated that AMD is one of the prime partners in powering this high refresh rate and next generation display with its RDNA 3 GPU architecture. And the second QD-OLED monitor from Samsung is 27-inch design that also comes with a flat screen and has a QHD display resolution. This monitor can provide a refresh rate of 360Hz and should aim at the eSports high refresh rate gaming segment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.